They know my story.
Hi everyone, this is gonna be a quick voiceover. So this is the knotless goddess braids that I did with human hair, and this is me just showing you guys how the hair looks without any hair products. I'm actually making this video because I generally or usually use hair mousse to like make the curls come together, and this hair mousse like works great for me. I got this hair mousse from Amazon, and I think it's called like Strictly Curls on the Amazon, and I love it because even with my synthetic curls, it just works very well with it. So I do use it for my human hair curls as well, and it does the magic for me. Like the curls could be as full as what's a Lion King, and then when you put the hair mousse, everything just comes together. It's not to say that it's not gonna get back to being full, but it just have like this nice wet or damp look that just makes the curls like shine, and it's just very pretty. But earlier today, actually I think I saw a post. I was tagging a post that for human hair, just like mix your bottle of water and your leave-in conditioner and spray it on your client's hair. And I think that that's probably a better idea because some hair mousse does make the curls or the braids sticky. I don't know, because I haven't had any complaint about this hair mousse from my clients when it comes to the curls, you know, being sticky and things of that sort. But I'm also going to try the leave-in conditioner. Maybe like I'm going to add like an oil in there, you know, for like a shiny look, and then the water, and I'm going to spray it on my client's hair just to see how it works, and I'm going to let you guys know how, you know, it actually went. But for now, I do use my hair mousse, and then when I started using the hair mousse, I apply any braid chain. So you can get is it Shine and Jam? Yeah, Shine and Jam. You can get that one. That's like what I use right now for like the, you know, the spray, like the braid sheen spray. That's what I use right now. But yeah, again, if you guys have tried the leave-in conditioner and water on your human hair braids, let me know how it went. But starting from now, I'm going to be showing you guys like, you know, the process from, you know, the hair mousse, the hair looking sticky, the hair looking a mess, as you can see right now, to when it's fully transformed. I'm doing this because I'm trying to like pull out all the, you know, loose hair, so my client don't have to have like any hair shedding or anything like that. I'm just pulling it out myself, you know, going through it, make sure that, you know, the curls are always intact. So I'm going to be making more of these videos of like, you know, showing the transformation from it being so poofy and like big to like just being like you know, like very settled, and how it's looking so far and overall. And I'm also going to be showing you talking more over time on like how many curls I had to add per braids to give it that look. So if you guys want that particular look, you know how many curls to add, and based on that you can tell yourself if you need to add less curls per braid or more curls per braid. Over time, I'll be making that, because honestly, to make a very long video is very hard, and I'm working all day every day. By the time I'm finished, I don't have time to edit like long videos, so I feel like making something short and even giving details does help a lot. And maybe from time to time I'm going to post a full tutorial of what I'm doing actually for my clients. But I'm going to have I actually did this hair recently, like 2 months ago, and I posted a tutorial. So I'm also going to have the link to that in my description box so you guys can see what it looks like. But yes, guys, this is what it's looking like right now. Very soft, very nice, flexible, sweet, nice, clean, and still very full. And yeah, that's all. And if you need the hair details, I'm going to have that in the in my description box as well. And also, please do follow my Instagram. I do have like my client's face in front, face in back, and different corners.
They know my story. For more